Ever wondered how long dry ice lasts? Well, prepare to be chilled, pun intended, because we're about to dive into the frosty world of this cool substance. Dry ice is no ordinary ice. It's actually the solid form of carbon dioxide, and it's so cold it makes regular ice look like a warm bath. We're talking about a frosty below 109.3 degrees Fahrenheit, or below 78.5 degrees Celsius, which is basically the Arctic Circle in a solid chunk. It's like the superhero of the cooling world, perfect for keeping things frozen solid, like food, medicine, or even that ice cream you're trying to save from melting in the scorching summer heat. Now, you might be asking, how many days can dry ice last? Well, that depends on a few factors. First off, it's all about the amount of dry ice you've got. More dry ice means more cooling power. But wait, there's more. The surrounding temperature plays a big role too. If it's as hot as a sauna outside, your dry ice will start to vanish faster than a popsicle on a sunny day. And let's not forget about your dry ice cooler. If it's well insulated, you're looking at a solid 18 to 24 hours of chilling action. That's enough time to make sure your goodies stay frosty during even the longest of road trips or outdoor adventures. If you need your dry ice to last even longer, consider adding extra dry ice or opting for a refrigerated truck. Your cooler will thank you. Remember, handling dry ice is no joke. It's super cold, so make sure to wear protective gloves and handle it in a well-ventilated area, because no one wants a case of frostbite on their hands. So, there you have it. Now you know how long dry ice lasts and how to keep your cool with it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Frosty Fact Fest, don't forget to like, subscribe, and chill out with us for more fun and informative videos.